Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to see suffix and inflection rules. When we are adding some suffix to a word, okay, how it changes and what are the rules and regulations are there to change from one form to other form. So here we will see all that stuff. So let's read the first one. Words ending with silent E. First, I'll read the definition, then I'll try to explain it, okay? Drop the E before adding a suffix which begins with a vowel. So, when we are adding suffix which begins with a vowel, okay, then we must drop the E. That's it. So, suppose here if we see this example, state, okay, so here we want to add ing which starts with vowel I, right? So when we are adding this type of suffix, so we should drop the E first, okay, stating. Similarly, like, okay, so again we are adding ing which starts with the vowel, so we must drop E. Liking, okay. Next we have some extension for this. Let's see. Keep the E when the suffix begin with a consonant. So we must keep E if the suffix begin with a consonant. Suffix begin with a vowel, so we must drop E. If it is begin with consonant, we should keep it as it is. So that's the rule, our first rule. So dropping E, and sometimes we shouldn't drop the E. Okay, next let's see another rule. Next rule, let me set. Okay. When Y is the last letter in a word and the Y is preceded by a consonant, change the Y to I before adding any suffix except those beginning with Y. It looks complicated, but it's so simple. Just we need to change Y to I when if the last letter of a word is Y and Y should preceded by a consonant, okay, then we have to change Y to I, okay. We shouldn't do this change if our suffix first letter is Y, okay. So let's see the example. Beauty. So here the last letter of the word is Y and it is preceded by consonant, then we need to change Y to I, okay. So beautiful. Fry, fries. Lady, ladies, okay. So in fry again RY, consonant Y, then it changes, Y changes to I, all remaining same before letters, okay. So of course we need to add few more extra letters. Fries, FRIES, okay. Next lady. So here also DY, consonant and Y, so changes to I. So of course we didn't see any suffix which starts with Y letter. If we have anything like that, we shouldn't change Y to I. That's it all about this rule. Very simple. Before it was like very complicated, but I think now hope you understand what I am saying. Just we need to change Y to I if they are in the form of consonant and Y, okay, and that too whatever the suffix we are adding, it shouldn't start with the Y. So here we didn't add any suffix which starts with the Y, okay, all are starting with the vowel only I, okay. So that's why we changed Y to I. So let's see the few more rules. So we know about this rule. We studied in singular and plural. So let me read the definition first. When forming the plural of a word which ends with a Y that is preceded by a vowel, add S. So very simple rule. So when we are forming the plural and if it is ends with a Y and it is also preceded by a vowel, then simply we need to add S in the plural. Let's see examples. Toy. So here Y is ending and Y is preceded by vowel. So just For plural, we are adding yes, toys. Monkey, monkeys. That's it for today's class. Hope you understand all the concepts. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Don't forget, age is a just number. Happy learning.